In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a 404 page in Framer step by step. So when someone lands on a broken or missing link, they see a clean custom error page instead of a default dead end. This is a really useful part of building a professional website in Framer because it helps improve user experience, keeps visitors on your site longer, and makes your brand look much more polished. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Framer guides. Let's jump in. First, open your Framer project. Once you're inside the editor, look at the left sidebar and click Pages. This is where Framer manages all of the pages in your site, including your main pages, hidden pages, and special pages like your 404 page. If you've never added one before, this part is very simple. Now, next to Pages, click the plus icon. A menu will open with different page options. From that list, choose New 404 page. Framer will automatically create a dedicated page that will be shown whenever someone visits a URL that doesn't exist on your website. This is the page you'll use for custom messaging, branding, buttons, links, or even a fun illustration. After the 404 page is created, you can design it however you want. Add a headline like "Page not found," "Oops, that page doesn't exist," or something more on brand for your website. You can also add a short explanation, a button that sends visitors back to the homepage, and any other elements that help guide users back to the right place. A good 404 page is clear, helpful, and visually consistent with the rest of your site. If you want, you can also include your logo, brand colors, navigation links, or a search button so visitors have more options. The goal is to keep the experience smooth instead of leaving people stuck on an error page. In Framer, you have full freedom to style the page just like any other section of your website, so take a moment to make it useful and visually appealing. Once your 404 page looks the way you want, don't forget the final step. Click Publish in the top area of Framer to push the changes live. Publishing is important because the custom 404 page won't be visible to your visitors until your updated site is live. After that, if someone goes to a broken link, Framer will show your custom 404 page automatically. And that's it. You've now set up a 404 page in Framer in just a few easy steps. Open your project, go to Pages, click the plus next to Pages, create a new 404 page, design it, and publish your site. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how professional your website feels. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Framer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.